How to buy the PEIPEI token. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's discuss on step-by-step process to purchase the PEIPEI token or PEIPEI coin. We will be using the Ethereum network using Uniswap. So let's get started. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser and go to the website coinmarketcap.com. Then after tap on the search bar and type in PEIPEI on the search bar. Then after locate the token and click on the markets tab which is on the next button. This can be seen once you have loaded the token. Once you reach to the markets tab, you will see different kinds of exchanges where the PEIPEI has been listed. CEX stands for centralized and DEX stands for decentralized. Now, next step is to choose a platform. In my case, I would be using the Uniswap. For this, visit the website app.uniswap.org. So once you have gone to the official website of Uniswap, you can click on the connect button which is on the top right corner. Then after you can choose your preferred wallet such as MetaMask, Binance, Trust Wallet and much more. Then enter your wallet password to connect it to Uniswap. Then click on the select token option in Uniswap. From the search bar, you can select the option of PEIPEI. Click on the token and confirm by selecting I understand and enter the amount of Ethereum that you wish to spend. Review all the fees included such as gas fees and other transaction details. Click on the swap button to initiate the transaction, and once that is done, the Peipei coins will be transferred to your connected wallet. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.